Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily practice flying helicopters in Battlefield 6 using the custom community games so you can master flying without getting shot down. Let's get started. First, from the Battlefield 6 main menu, scroll down through the Community tab. Select the Search Experiences. Then here in the search bar, type helicopter or jet, and you'll see the several training maps like helicopter practice or jet training. Choose one you want to try. Once you open the page from that training, you have the two options: join a server already running or host it locally. If you want to practice alone without enemies, select host locally. After loading in, deploy. If you don't spawn directly in a helicopter, open the menu and select redploy. Then keep doing until you can spawn at HQ with helicopter option available. It may take a moment, but once you get in, you'll be able to fly freely and practice without pressure. And for the better control, go to the settings and open controller settings and scroll down to helicopter controls. Turn on helicopter control assist to make flying smoother and easier while learning. And that's it. You can now practice helicopter flying in Battlefield 6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.